In today's video, I'm going to teach you use Notion to break your bad habits. By the end, you'll have a simple, powerful workspace that helps you spot what sets a habit in motion and what to do instead, so you can turn intention into consistent action. First, head to the Notion website. You can work right from your browser, which keeps everything easy and accessible wherever you are. Once you're on the site, we'll create a fresh space to keep everything organized around one goal: resetting a habit. Create a new page and give it a clear name. Call it Habit Reset. A focused title makes it easy to find and reminds you why the page exists every time you open it. You'll see a blank page ready for content. We're going to structure it in a way that turns vague ideas into a concrete plan you can follow. Insert a table on the page. This is where the system comes to life. Think of the table as your dashboard. Add categories as columns so each habit you're working on has the same clear checklist. Useful categories include habit, trigger type, trigger details, replacement action, when, where, feeling, benefit, and notes. Habit is the behavior you want to change. Trigger type might be time, place, emotion, person, or event. Trigger details is where you write exactly what sets it off. Replacement D. Action is the better behavior you'll do instead. When, where, and feeling help you capture context. Benefit reminds you why this matters. Notes is for anything you learn along the way. Now, write down all the triggers for your habit in the table. Be specific and honest. For example, if the habit appears when you're tired after work or when a notification pops up, write that down. Then, define your replacement action for each trigger. Make it small, obvious, and easy to start. If scrolling is the habit, the replacement might be a 1-minute stretch or a glass of water and a quick walk. The clearer you make these pairs, trigger and replacement, the easier it is to follow through in the moment. Customize your page to keep yourself inspired and to see progress at a glance. Add an icon that matches your goal, pick a cover image that feels motivating, and use simple color accents or emojis in your table to mark wins and lessons learned. Small visual cues make the page feel inviting and help you stick with it. That's it. You've built a habit reset system in Notion that maps triggers to better actions and keeps everything visible and simple. Open it when you need clarity and update it as you learn what works best for you.